everyone, thank you for coming to my channel. It's been a minute, but I'm back with another tutorial. If you're new here, thank you for joining me, and if you're just returning, welcome back. So I'm here to show you how I did my passion twist. It took a long time because I kept stopping, but I'm gonna show you how I did it. It's 18 inches long and it literally took me 2 days. If you want to see it, just continue watching, and thank you for coming. So this is the hair that I used. It's called Cultress crochet braids. It's 18 inches long and it's number 1 black, and I bought like 7 packs. So I'm using my gel, my Extreme gel. I love it. And I'm using some oil. This is argan oil for my roots. And what I'm gonna do is just oil the roots and put a little on the hair. Just a little on my hair. And I'm going to put some gel on my hair, and I'm gonna work it in real good until it get that nice curl. I'm gonna grab the hair and I'm going to separate it. Oops. You gotta be careful because then this will happen. Turns into a ball of it just get nappy real fast. So this is how I do it. I take the hair, this is my hair, and I kind of go like that and braid it. After I braid it, then I split my hair in two. Take the gel and I just kind of put it on my hair, right on each side, and then I just twist it. So okay, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, put some oil on my roots. You can put a little oil on the hair too, you know. Take some gel. I put the gel on my hair, okay, until it's like the texture kind of change. There it is. And I just kind of work it in so that the texture, like the gel changed the texture of my hair. Perfect. Alright, so it could blend with the curly hair. Alright. So I take the hair, alright, and I grab my hair and I just braid. twist it all the way down. Okay? And that's the way I do my passion twist. You twist it all the way down. It took me like, literally it took me 2 days because I kept stopping, but it should take you like a good, depending on how big you want it or how small you want it, it could take 4 hours or more if you don't stop. If you stop, then it's gonna take longer. So this took me 2 days because I have a child and I do stop to tend to her. So you know, but it comes out really nice. It and I think it lasts. It should last at least a couple of weeks. So I'm finished, and this is the results. If you want to, you can put some mousse on it, and that's how long it is in the back. And that's it. So I'm finished. I used some edge control and I did my edges. Okay. And this is how it is now. I can put it up. I can put it sideways. And that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and to click that like button. And I'll see you guys another time. Different hairstyle. Bye.